Today I'm going to discuss about an interesting fact of engineering. That's how a 110 volt DC system works with our conventional laptops and mobile chargers. So as you all know that you are traveling through in train and all, so you have seen that the outlet is 110 volt DC system. So how it going to work? So this video is suggested by one of my YouTube subscriber. That's why I just do this video. So I just show the demo. I just going to demonstrate this practical with that theory behind it. So don't skip this video. This will be useful to you. Before that, I just convey one thing to you. Our YouTube web series, we just planned for our YouTube web series that's titled by the Unstructured Platform, the real sense of engineering. It deals with some skills of some sort of skill set which is actually required for a professional engineer or any type of professions, and the interview tips, professional gain, and main content is the science fact, that the engineering facts. So these kind of things and all will be disclosed through our channel. So different web series, that series 1, series 2, like that we have planned. So please stay tuned our channel. Okay friends, let's begin our theory session. First, I just remind you all, our mobile phone charger, laptop charger, all which consumes less power. So a perfect 230 volt doesn't require for this kind of devices. So that's why our home supply will be coming down to 230 to 150, 130, like that it will be working. Okay. So here you can see in board there is a bridge rectifier circuit. This conversion. You all know that there is some sort of conversion happens in any kind of mobile charger, laptop charger, etc. Here the bridge circuit which convert the AC to DC. That's a 4 diode, D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay. So in AC it is called as a bridge circuit, but in DC this is the polarity is very important. So this circuit is the same circuit act as a polarity corrector or reverse protection circuit. Okay, this 4 diode bridge act as polarity corrector or reverse protection circuit. How it works? We can. Okay, here I can show you a diode. This is the diode. That black portion is the positive side and white portion is the negative side. Here we apply positive to the black portion, it will be conducting, and it will, when you give negative supply to the positive section, it will not be conducting, vice versa. Like the negative section, if you are giving negative supply, it will be conducting, but in positive supply, if you are giving to the negative side, that's the white portion, it will not conducting. Okay, so here just assume that 110 volt DC is applying that from the train outlet, power outlet. If you are applying 110 volt DC plus to this section, this diode, this is a positive section, that's a black portion, this is a negative section, this diode will be conducting and given the plus supply, and here in the negative supply we are applying here, this diode will be conducting, this is the negative version, this diode conducting and given negative supply, this is the positive and negative given, that's 110 volt DC we get. This 110 volt DC reduced like the 5 volt something, so it will be switching like high frequency switching, then the feed to the output of a mobile charger pin. Okay, this is happen in the mobile charger. Like in this now, if we are giving negative supply, this diode will be conducting. Here we get negative, and for if you are applying plus supply, so this diode will be conducting, you get plus supply. Like we get the supply in it. This is a reverse polarity protection. That is a polarity protector in DC circuit. Reverse polarity or polarity protector. Polarity protector. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the answer why this 110 volt DC works in the train outlet and door. So here we can go for this practical. For practical session, I need a 110 volt power supply. As you all know that our home power supply is 230 volts. So I just make a small inverter circuit which will be deliver 110 volt DC. First 110 volt AC, then it will be converted to 110 volt DC. That is a laptop charger, 20 volt laptop charger, which is used to supply this one. This thing is that the power supply, that's a pulse width modulation supply. This is oscillation supply, and this is a transformer. This input of the PWM is given to the transformer, and then we get the 110 volt, this one. So this we can adjust the here this pulse width modulator, here is a knob, we can adjust the frequency of the supply. Okay, and the last one, this one. So here we get the 110 volt AC, so we need the 110 volt DC now. So we use this converter circuit. This is the same mobile charger circuit. This diode and then capacitor is used for this rectifier. So here we get this brown wire and the blue wire, we get the 110 volt DC here. So other sections, that the transformer, switching transformers and then transistors etc., which we are not going to use. This only section like the diode section, bridge rectifier section and then capacitor which we are using. Okay, so I just do all the connections. This is the inverter section. If you have any doubt regarding the inverter and all, you just comment down. I will explain that all in another video or something. If any personal related things you require, then I will be revert back to you, because in just a 5-minute 10-minute video all things just reveal is not possible. That's why. Okay, so I just connect all things and then we can check this mobile charger is working or not. Okay, we connected all the supplies and you can see the how much voltage we get it from this. You can see this multimeter. So I just conveyed. We didn't get the standard 110 volt supply because this is not the inverter correct circuit. That power section circuit, that FET section is missing. That you know that this is a blinking section. This is the oscillation which are feeding to that inverter. Then we get 76. That is a varying supply. Okay, so next we are going to connect this charger, mobile charger, and we check this charger is working or not with the DC system. This is the DC, so we get the DC supply. We can check. This is the DC. Okay, this is the DC. Okay, you can check. This is the DC supply. Okay, we can connect to that mobile charger and we check this mobile charger working or not. Okay, I just connect all the connections. So you can see this mobile charger. So this mobile charger, this brown and blue wire is connected. So I am going to connect this supply. So you can see this mobile charger working. So see, charging. Okay, charging. Mobile charger working. This is a 110 volt DC. This brown wire, blue wire connected to that rectifier section of the power supply, mobile charger. Okay, you can see. So guys, you have any doubts regarding this one or inverter section, power supply or anything, you can ask in the comment section. I will revert to you. Okay, signing off, Ranjit.